I'm bored, so let me just sing a song, cause I, uh, yeah. Tonight the music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way. We hurt each other with the things we want to say. We could have been so good together. Try to live this dance forever, but no one's gonna dance with me. Please stay. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know you're not a fool. Should've known better than to cheat. I forgot the beat. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you. I'm not even gonna re-listen to this, and I'm just gonna post it, because I probably sounded musty, dusty, crusty. Don't judge me, please.